what they want.
We give the people what they want. So it gets really repetitive. Sometimes you go through streaks where you're not bowling very, very good. And unfortunately for us, that's kind of what's happening at the moment. It just takes us a little time to kind of grind out the mistakes and
Grind out the bad weeks,
yeah.
figure out what to
Yeah. So the main thing is we don't give up, but even more importantly, we're gonna try to give you content. Packy and I bet last week. I beat the piss out of him. We're gonna do the same thing this week. We're running it back. We're about in the same position. He's like plus 10, I'm plus 30. So we're gonna surround this episode.
This is my week.
This is gonna be the new series.
You can catch the opposite version of this episode on my channel.
Packy v Tang for lunch. Yeah, we're betting lunch, but for clickbait purposes.
$1 million.
$1 million.
I'm a big mood. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. I'm stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 let's get it. Child, please, I don't need a towel, please. This is easy as a breeze. I can't teach you how to be me. Now you see me, now you don't, I'm a magician. You are limited, I am a limited edition. They don't even make them like me anymore. I'm so flashy, I don't even say keys anymore. I don't just want it, I just want more. Man, I'm a major key in this game, and these keys open doors. I'm a big move, yeah, I'm a big move. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 let's get it. I'm going all in, you know I stay ballin'. I'm going all in, you know I stay ballin'. I'm going all in, you know I stay ballin'. I'm going all in, you know I stay ballin'. Stay applying pressure, you already know how we play. Every time I step in, I deserve it and still replay. Get right to it, we ain't dealing with no delay. About to run this thing like a relay. You know it, baby. Let's ride, enjoy the ride. Look at the crowd, they going wild. Look at me now, I'm all smiles, no sweat. Don't need a towel, I'm a big mood. I'm a big mood, yeah. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 yeah.
Trying to give it time to hook, brother. Well, I might be last on the block. I'm like 16 under, I think. I had a chance to pull 230, I split in the 10th. I think my hand needs to get more forward. I said at the beginning of the day, that's what I wanted to do, and I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna try to do that. Don't like my chances against Packy right now. Don't know how he's bowling, but.
2, show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, can you do it like this? 7, 8, and don't be late now. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on.
Knock it 9 to 5, let me see you work. Knock it 9 to 5, let me see you work. Work that, work that. Knock it 9 to 5, work.
Feel so good, I've been working it out. Now let the haters try to talk, I've been drowning them out. Go ahead, get the work in, wide out. Hit me with the low fee, I need a high amount. Hit it one more time, 3, 6, 5. This throwback here for the 9-9. Knees to your thighs, reach for the sky. Ain't no PTO time, I'm just trying to work. 1, 2, show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, can you do it like this? 7, 8, and don't be late now. Everybody come on. Everybody come on.
I can get packed back real good right here. A couple more good shots, one at a time. Some weeks are gonna be like this. Just gotta fight through it, you know? You guys have your opinions in the comments about things and, oh yeah, you're off your game, blah, blah, blah. It's tough. It's very fine out here. It just takes one little thing for somebody to get going. And I'm just searching for that one little thing for me to get going. Games like this, I feel like could have easily been 279. But at the same time, it's not. Those are those little things I'm talking about. When things are going right for you for the week, you get those hits. You kick out the splits. And when it's not, you just gotta keep your head down and keep working. We can't let it get to here. And I'm fighting real hard, guys. Trust me. If you got the full sample size of everybody on tour, you may think a little differently about the guys that you see on YouTube. Just saying. Thank you. Yes. I'm not counting that, don't matter. It's a fill shot. I think I need to throw the urethane ball harder. Oh, we're close, man. We're close. We're right there.
How are we doing?
How are we doing? Is
Asian fans, how we doing?
is plus 10 on the block good? You be honest, it's okay. My games have been progressively getting higher though.
So we're progressing, evolving.
I had 180, 190, and then 2 10s within the span of 5 pits.
나 어딜 가든 네가 무엇을 하든 다들 날 쳐다본다 난 멋져 난 예뻐 나 가까이 오지만 너 완벽한 여자야 나 불같이 yeah I'm too hot 다들 날 부러워하지 날 가지려고하지 Yeah baby you can touch me 내 존재 내 위치 VIP 내 인생 구찌같이 내 자동차 부가리 Yeah boy I know you want me 가까이 오지마 아님 다셔 누구도 날 멈출 수 없어 모든 것을 태우고 말 거야 누구도 날 건들지 마 Yeah I'm too hot 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 완벽한 여자야 나 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 완벽한 여자야 나 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 똑똑한 여자 내가 가장 센 부자 So you ain't getting my number 지나갈 때마다 느껴진 남들의 시선들 뜨겁지 모두 눈을 가려 조심 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 다들 날 부러워하지 날 가지
All right, yeah, official scoring update. I'm like 60 over, I think.
I'm 95 over, which means I'm 82 over.
Ooh, it's close. I need a good one here. I had 260 going one game, got 6 to the middle, didn't get the spare. Left 40 out there.
I did go
Jeez.
last game.
I think I've opened half of my 10 frames today.
모든 것을 태우고 말 거야 누구도 날 건들지 마 Yeah I'm too hot 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 완벽한 여자야 나 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot 불같이 Yeah I'm too hot
all you had to do, man. Just. Well, missed it at the bottom, first one at 10th. Thought I had a chance with how things have gone this week. Don't know why I thought I had a chance. I just hope it was enough to beat Packy. I had 78 over, I think, so we would need him to come backwards a little bit. Let's go see how Packy bowled.
I got him.
Right? Because 240 gets me 22.
He made me pay for breakfast this morning,
Well, yeah. Oh, no, I did need a double intent. I would have got to 100.
and I'm making him pay for breakfast tomorrow morning. Let's get this bread, quite literally.
I'm a fan of paying your debts. Like, there's none of this back and forth stuff. You pay your debts.
I owe you one for next week.
Oh, gosh. Ah, damn it.
Dub.
You want to introduce yourself? Are we rolling?
Coop the Barber 4 on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm a barber out here in Oklahoma. I'm a big fan of Darren, so can watch him bowl.
If you guys are in Oklahoma or in the area, hit them up if you want to cut. Also, if you guys want to win some of these bowling balls, you know, we go stop to stop and we drill a bunch, and sometimes we can't bring all of them with us to the next. So when we meet guys like Coop, we'll hook them up. We appreciate you coming through, and maybe I will patronize his business. And you know, it's getting kind of long. It's about time. So yeah, thanks again for coming, man.